Alright guys, we're back in the shop, or paint booth. Doing a little seam sealing today. My hood and trunk and my doors. This is what I'm using. It's a Sim product, seam sealer. Two-part compound, mix it together and it comes out. Well, this is pretty much how I do it. Might not be the right way to do it, but this is how I do it. I think as long as you seal it up and make sure both sides and the gap has got some in it. I think that's the main go. Put a little thin coat like that on it. This right here is lacquer thinner. Stick your finger in there. Might want to use some gloves if your hands are sensitive. The reason you're using lacquer thinner is it don't stick to your fingers. And it helps it smooth. Sorry about the camera there. I don't know what happened to it. But you pretty much just run your finger back and forth through it. Just done. And you just wipe it off, and when I get done with this, I'll come back and once it dries, I'll spray some more primer on it, and do some 600 wet sanding, and that'll be pretty much getting ready to put some paint on this joker. Haven't figured out my color I'm going to use on it just yet. But I think I've got it narrowed down to about 3. Probably won't decide until the day I go buy the paint. But anyway, just a little short video I want to share with you. Anyway, next time like I said, hopefully I'll get some paint on these jokers. Anyway, next time, guys.